I have struggled a little bit with my mental health, which I'll explain to you, but I'll do on the editing. I'm just going to get some footage for you now, because I'm flying back to Bangkok tomorrow, and there'll be just price comparisons, the people, the culture, and what there is to do. But I've not ventured out that much to be able to tell you, but enough from where I've stayed within 4 days. Let's get some footage and I'll talk to you in a bit. And if you've not already joined my community, pop in and have a look. Anyone who's struggling with mental health, addictions, rehabilitation whatsoever, there's a link in the description for you. Have a look, join. It's £10 a month with lots of benefits and things to help you. Let's get cracking, let's have a look about. One thing I've noticed is these scooters everywhere, like, I think most of them for sale. We could probably rent them, I ain't check, but can't be arsed asking for reasons I'll state. But yeah, it's so many toy shops, it's unbelievable, like one after another after another. On the way back from the city where I'm going to take you now, I want to show you a full stretch of row of toy shops. I'm just wondering where it all goes to. And also, I've just felt some drops. I meant to have a storm, but I don't care. So I'm going to be honest, I haven't got a clue where I'm going. I'm just heading for the main city, look. But this is the tunnel. Mad colours. So yeah, I'm heading to the city. I want to try and show you like the these, like, they're kind of like, what would you class it as, like their drinking areas, or where all that craziness goes on, and a bit of that area in the main city. But I passed it yesterday, but I was too tired after the trip to get some footage, and your battery had died. I'm going to try and find it for you just to show you a walk around that area. And yeah, so obviously I've learned the population of Malaysia is about 7% Muslim, so I think I'm in the more of the Muslim area community, which is great, to be fair, because it's different. I've not saw none of this. Cinemas as well. I ain't seen the cinema before yet. Let's have a look about what we can find. Now I'm in main downtown. So yeah, like, mixture of everything really. Normal stuff, fake stuff. Just have a look around. Like I say, I got a clue where I am, I'm just wondering. £30. Okay. So 30 ringgit is about, I've just been told this is Little India basically. And yeah, Bombay jewellery. Loads of just full of jewellery shops after jewellery shops. 628 ringgit per gram of gold here. If you do the maths back on what it's got out at the minute, it ain't that bad really, but the market's that volatile if anyone who's into that, as you know.